Hello and welcome to Greensleeves Lawn Care. Today we're going to be explaining the lawn care process of scarification and overseeding. A lawn in need of scarifying will have a visible top layer of moss or dead organic material. This layer, known as thatch, prevents the lawn from properly absorbing air, water and nutrients through the soil to the root zone. Your lawn treatment expert will begin by taking a core sample of the lawn to establish the severity of the thatch layer and to gain a better understanding of the depth of scarification treatment that is needed. The scarification process removes the excess thatch from a lawn, allowing nutrients, water and oxygen to penetrate to the roots and nourish the grass. Scarification is carried out by pushing a high-quality scarification machine across the lawn in a mowing motion. Our professional lawn grade machine is not to be confused with machines available on the domestic market. It has sharp tungsten blades that rotate at a high speed and cut into the turf in a vertical manner. Think of this treatment as an intensive mechanical process to remove troublesome lawn thatch. Once the whole lawn has been scarified, it will be covered in a blanket of the debris generated. This is the thatch that has been removed. Firstly, your lawn treatment expert will thoroughly rake up all the debris. They will then bag and remove it. To ensure a thorough and complete scarification process, your lawn treatment specialist completes the process twice. Firstly horizontally and then diagonally across the lawn to ensure that the thatch is removed effectively. Once complete, the lawn will look much finer and in some areas bare patches may be evident. Your lawn treatment expert will assess whether your lawn requires any reseeding. It may be that only certain patches need some new grass seed, or he may deem it necessary to reseed the whole lawn. Reseeding is a quick process whereby new grass seed is applied evenly using one of our specialist machines. Once finished, the final job is to remove the bags of debris. The debris is removed in Greensleeves' own waste bags and placed in our van. We will dispose of it properly, taking the hassle away from you and ensuring any disease that the waste may contain is not left to contaminate your lawn. For more information about scarification and overseeding, or for a free lawn quote, call us on 0808 100 1413 or visit our website at www.greensleeves-uk.com. Thank you.